do.
Yeah.
It's the God Squad.
Face, I want to try with.
Special
Okay, yeah, that works.
I need to unmute in because I
Yep.
need to talk to him about something.
Hey, talk to him.
I want to try a couple tweaks on this kickoff, but this is a possible tweak.
Yeah.
Flu game.
Oh, I forgot. The Rex
The flu
Rex
game?
don't have the new
Yeah.
methods down yet. Okay, I've
No, I
Ghost
have-
and yeah, okay, that's good.
In.
Sure.
Space, I will block a little bit further. Further straight
asshole,
down
dude.
with your
I just
blocker.
asked him about something serious and he
Yeah.
just fucking unmuted me to me.
Yeah, because I wasn't sure if we were gonna make the block.
Yeah, I figured. Oh, I didn't even block it.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
Yay!
Not a
Okay.
block, not a block.
You hit the
Not a
ball and
No,
yeah,
not a block at all.
and then it's gonna I'm gonna tackle it this way, and then we're just gonna do this. Yeah, we should be good. And I'll be on secondary in case anything goes wrong.
My name is
I have
Richard.
a ghost.
Hi.
Oh, what? That's weird.
In.
Oh, come on. Okay, well,
I knew.
yep, I got it. And then Space, I want you to keep one on the bottom. Just, I want you to keep one on the bottom. We're not under any pressure, and we're trying to get another box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep it.
It's been there, done that.
Probably be but
Oh, okay.
I'll show
Yeah,
you.
not my first rodeo camp.
Okay, we're good. Easily. Okay, yeah. Either way, we're gonna box. Okay, well,
Been there, done that is hilarious.
Okay,
By the way.
Space,
Oh,
I want you to get box, and I'm gonna ghost that Rex so he doesn't get it.
No,
and then we'll be chilling.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'll recap.
Okay, we're good. Okay, you are free to say where you are, but I'll let you handle this. I'm not too worried about this.
Monkey.
Namada.
I'm not gonna go too hard because I have no idea where he's gonna be. I want to be ready to respond wherever he goes.
Who are the Canes?
Oh, no, but
Did
it
you
should be
just know me
spring. They wanna make me turn into
No, come on.
spring.
Okay,
Well, never in a million fucking years is that going.
let me see.
That's a shot by space, I think.
Yes.
I wouldn't
It
mind
was
the
a
block
shot,
use,
yeah.
but up to you.
Miss shot.
No.
Yeah.
Technically, off the bumper is.
You are the guy I want you to
What
I
it
call it
focus.
a shot. I call it a shot.
It's
Not
not.
safe.
That's
Yeah,
not-
yep,
not
yep.
what this nigga takes.
Yep.
We're in a good spot.
Oh my
That's
god,
why I
he
don't
sold.
like it.
I didn't
Okay,
like
not
it.
too much of an offensive position.
You saw
Block
that-
that guy, and I'll kind of sprint up to try and help. I have
No,
no
you
idea
can
where
go
this
for the
ball is
ball. I'm
going.
gonna fucking put the ghost on you, so
go
you can just shoot
straight.
right into it.
Like
Understood.
straight.
Straight up ball or straight up?
Ball.
Noah?
Okay, perfect.
Shoot into the ball.
Oh, okay, that's a good play.
What the
You just
fuck?
did nothing with it.
Why? Why?
He was supposed to shoot into the ball.
Space had a bad
Pass,
item.
pass yourself.
He was supposed to shoot into the ball.
Space had an inefficient item.
Or not.
Goal swap. That was.
Okay, that's fine.
You're
I
not
make,
getting
we
a
make a
goal
block,
from
and
this.
then, yeah, you guys just set up. Wait, does that mean I can get box?
Why the fuck?
Who had that,
Space,
who
you
had
make
that
the block,
ghost?
I'll
Who
get
had that
box.
ghost? Who had that
I mean,
ghost?
the Jace Ghost,
Yep.
I think.
Sorry, that was
Oh my
very
god, wait,
late.
they didn't really block though?
Perfect.
Oh my god, they did. But no one's there.
Did I get box?
They almost sold.
They almost sold that.
An inefficient
Okay,
I know.
don't be afraid, just fire it.
Yeah.
And then your
I
other
would
guy,
not
yeah,
let
I'll
it
go up
because
since
that
we
was
were
another-
supposed to score
Yep,
if the cat-
don't be
if you
afraid.
didn't do that,
Another
Catherine.
day, another turn here.
The one thing that we
Holy
hadn't
fuck,
done
yeah,
was
you're not doing
actually get
something
shots on
again,
goal,
you're
so
retarded.
No,
might as well
that's
try.
not efficient.
You
This is
never
not
know.
efficient.
You never know what's gonna happen.
That literally did nothing. Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Oh, JC Garza.
Yeah, we gotta.
Bro.
I
That's
feel
an
like
efficient
our
item or
struggle
no?
is that we're
He just got
generating
pushed
chances, but we're way too timid. We just gotta say fuck it on offense and see what
Oh,
happens.
that's funny.
Why is Aiden
Yeah.
hyper?
Alright,
That's a
go
good
box,
one.
go box. We're not doing this. Okay, yeah, straight left, and then this is what we're gonna do. Yeah, fuck box, and
Just
we're
know
okay.
I start happy. I start
Yeah.
Anyway.
Everything here is okay.
You can use ramp on forward.
I literally
Oh,
do
wow,
not have
this
anything
actually-
space.
Goal.
Might be dang. Oh wow.
It was
How did
not.
I'm saying
Oh,
you
we're
can
getting
use
wobbly
ramp
against
on
Charlie.
forward.
Oh.
That. Like,
Oh, okay, I see. Never know that. I'm just gonna hit the ball like to the side so you can keep rolling.
I was,
I'm gonna go
Okay.
smack guy.
Don't collapse too far back. Either go straight up or stay where you are. Just don't collapse. Okay,
Watch
I made a
this.
good decision to just try and
Still
hit
not,
the
I
first.
didn't even get
Okay, we're good.
first.
What the fuck was the point of that
Okay.
ghost? Who used that?
I want you to go
Uh,
straight left because I'm gonna
no,
try
it
and
Pay
intercept
attention,
Chase
Henry.
off the
Holy
wall.
No, he
fuck,
used it.
man.
He was
I'm on
trying.
I can't lie to you.
He's trying to get to the
Nah,
ball
come
first, which is like
Yeah, we'll see if they try and clear. If they try and
And
clear, I
this
can
nigga
sail
will
right
play
back
their
to
miserably if
offense.
he- that's what he was
I
trying
don't
to
like.
do.
Come on.
Oh,
And I called it wrong.
Oh, and that's
Go!
okay.
Oh, yes!
Not sure what's going
And
Choose your
Cats,
power.
Okay.
on. Yeah.
I believe.
Fall apart.
I think so. They're up 2-0.
Blocks.
Surely they don't
Three.
blow this.
Okay, we're gonna go
How
bounce
about you-
defense, and then we're just gonna adjust on fly if they're
Surely
they're
they
fucking
don't
around.
blow this.
Mm-hmm.
I don't get how the cats are winning.
I know it.
We'll use right here.
Alright, let's go.
take
Let's
off
see what they
these.
pull out. They're probably gonna pull out option.
Anyway, surely
Just
they
like
don't
forces
blow
things.
this.
Christ, Garner just got there. Okay, nice.
Okay.
Sorry.
We're good. Oh fuck!
Yep.
Okay, well, we'll see if we work or not. You also have some meta down, please!
Oh my god.
You were right there, bro!
Did the thing,
Just-
went right through the
I
shoulders.
put too much power on one. Yep, I put too much power on that one. Well, that's
Alright, regroup. It
Recap.
should be 0-0 on power-ups.
Shot buddy.
Yeah.
fine.
That's my line.
It's
Yeah.
all fine.
Oh, come on. Okay.
Meat.
Oh god.
What's the?
That would have been
evil
such an
version of
adrenaline rush. Bottom post.
Netta.
Normal person.
I'll go bottom post.
Netta.
Let's not
My name
do...
is Netta.
I don't think they
And
have the
I
new meta
support
down, so I'm
Hitler.
not too worried about this.
My name is Nadia.
why?
Okay.
Why
What?
sound like your name from Earth?
What's the point of that?
Yeah,
I don't know what they were doing on that. I feel like they didn't come well on that play.
Yeah, what's the
Um,
point? There's 0 point of that.
Okay.
I guess.
Space. I will go straight at the ball. Because if it leaks out, it's gonna leak out straight right.
And yeah.
And then you gotta-
With your top guy.
you gotta
If it leaks.
pull it back.
If it leaks.
Gaga.
Okay, we should be.
Oh.
Shit.
My name-
Nice.
no way they
That's why I
blow
wanted
it.
to do it.
Surely.
'Cause that-
Okay, I'm sorry.
Did they
Okay.
get an item there?
Guys, I think the cats are
Okay.
gonna blow
No,
this.
it's only
Yeah,
two
hey,
people.
did you
Okay,
think they
let's
get an
go.
item there? 'Cause I don't remember seeing the box, but if they got ramp,
No.
Okay, we have bumpers. So if we
Sure.
fail to kick off, I'm gonna big bumpers this.
Sure.
And
Really hope they don't
then
have
we're
a
gonna go. Why were we never? We hadn't gotten a cilantro game, which kind of sucked. But
Oh,
Oh.
what? Oh, if they have beach bomb, be so pissed.
guarantee box. What's the play here?
Well, no, do you want to keep?
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, nice. And I'm gonna block him. And then you
Oh
go
my
top
God, they
post
didn't
and
have
Matthew. Oh god,
Oh, yeah.
They were hawking
Oh,
it.
wow.
For a second there, they were hawking it.
that's a free clear. That's a
Yeah,
free clear.
whatever.
Yeah, no, technically not a block.
Like, not a block. It was a block.
Yeah,
That
space
was,
you
that was
cleared
a
this.
clutch. It was a clutch
Man.
play,
It was a good play.
Keep your back guy.
You might hit into yourself. I'm gonna
Follow
keep
you?
it.
Follow my friend.
I don't know, Jim.
I should have stayed where I am.
I know,
I don't know, Jim.
Just bump
I
it.
know, Jim.
I'm honestly gonna big bumper because big. Oh no! Big bumper sends the ball straight back
Jim
to us,
Clyburn.
so we don't want to do that.
Representative, South Carolina.
Yeah.
Can you shut
Yeah,
the fuck up?
we
dude?
can't big bumper this.
Jim Levis.
No.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Jim
big
Levis.
bumper next turn,
I'm sorry, Aiden. That wasn't nice.
or not.
Oh,
You're just figuring that
okay.
out.
right there. What a lucky,
this
what a
is
lucky
textbook.
bumper from Jace.
Lucky bump.
Turn the back guy more down. Like,
There's something they
Sounds
could
good.
do here that would be really smart.
and then go straight up the other. Just
Okay.
I need
I
my
wish
milk,
they
need my
did it.
milk.
I don't know, it wouldn't have worked now.
Okay. Nice go.
Oh no, nice bounce.
sit.
Me? Gaga.
Okay.
I didn't
It's
know.
your hit. I'm pretty sure.
Jay,
Yeah.
you
I'm trying to figure out.
What?
I'm
You
gonna
got
both
problem with it?
on.
I mean, a man
I
is
think.
expressing himself.
I'm not worried about this going in, so you get out, I'll get back.
I don't know, Jim.
I don't know, Jim.
Hey, Jim, I wouldn't be so sure about that one.
I'm gonna make.
No,
What are you
You
talking about?
rush to. You rush to. I'm gonna keep my goalie where I am. In fact, okay.
Those who do.
I'm gonna adjust this blocking goal. That was the initial one was
Me?
wrong. Okay, perfect.
Those who know.
Those who do.
Okay,
Hashtag no.
we're okay. The question is, what do I do?
Oh, is that Carter Ferris?
Okay, we're not gonna get
Ew.
that box. The question is, okay,
Same reaction.
okay, I have an idea. I'm gonna keep those guys back
I
away
shoot.
from the ball and
I
go
shoot.
for it.
I'll walk the gun. I'll walk the stick. I'll walk. I shoot.
What?
Okay.
What? Okay, that was.
Why?
Don't try to do too much.
don't understand that play at all.
Yeah, I don't know.
Stop.
Why would you say that?
Dude,
Oh,
what?
Chase said that.
Yeah, I'm thinking big bump for this.
Nice.
That's what I'm gonna try. I want you to close down top post.
I have Jace muted. I wouldn't know.
Oh,
And there.
Oh,
Oh, they
guys.
fucked Oh, come on. Okay, fuck. Yeah, we're
I thought
good.
Jace was gonna hit the
Yeah, where's the box?
I thought Jace was gonna
Space you clear the shit. I'm gonna try and. Yep. That's good.
You what?
Yeah, that's probably good.
Yeah, but no, you what?
I'm a little bit worried about Jason
You
making
did
block
what?
and you're like,
No, you're not.
You
you're
did
not
what in
getting
this
boxed.
I said
He's
right
inside
foot.
the box.
no, I'm not getting boxed. I wasn't even thinking about box. Okay, perfect. You passed it. Oh, dang it. A big head here would be really fucking nice.
Jack of all trades.
A big head.
I'm
Some
gonna say some egregious stuff here.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Getting
flash
sniped.
back that, I think, and then I'm gonna stay where I
big
am.
sloppy head. Oh,
I'm
okay.
a West Side
I don't
nigga, don't you know? Knocking door.
You don't have to. I don't think
Make
that was
contact, I'm
but I
gonna try and
needed-
drive
I
this.
needed to
It's
know.
getting
Probably gonna get blocked.
Again.
So yeah, get yourself ready
That
for
was a-
support.
I
And
would-
finally
I would
get
say
blocked
that's
for
a-
saying
Knowing the
tipping
catch,
turns.
that ball
Ish.
goes in on that type of shot somehow.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're saying Rexilla. Got it. Not calling it inefficient.
I'm not doing a good job at tracking all the items.
Rexalot. Yeah, sure.
Okay, I have a ghost. Ghost is usually pretty good for defensive.
It's getting
Okay.
sticky.
Perfect. I'm in perfect position. I'm not gonna even fucking move my goalie. Yeah, perfect.
Just
And
for you,
then I'm trying to think.
It is inefficient.
Yeah, no one's gonna try and block there, and then using your secondary guy up will be ideal. I'm
Alright,
thinking
get the
that would
laugh
be
track out.
Shut up.
Bust out the old
Yeah.
laugh track.
Noah block should. I mean, not.
Yeah, probably understandable. Yeah, you know what? If we're top of the bowl, what do you think?
I'm sorry.
I'm thinking top of the bowl and try and see if we can get a shot off. Probably not, but like that was probably the
If they
best
have
play
me
there.
right foot free, I don't even know what to say to that.
Yeah.
It's giving.
I'm
It's
thinking
giving.
of them
it's-
overthinking this.
They're
Okay.
not using the item, the one
It's
item.
giving-
They got.
okay, they
They're not
keep
Oh yeah,
going
they
for
definitely
hideout.
overthought this.
He's about to get. He's about to get.
Okay, perfect.
Jace, let's use my power.
No,
I don't think I'll be able to touch
oh,
it.
You think so?
That would be useful.
What about your guy? What about your guy in midcourt?
Myself?
Hawk is about
He's
Yeah.
Wait,
what-
Alright, understood. I
Do they
see
not
what
see
you're
the
trying to do.
vision? Do they not see the vision?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, now I can. Now I can. He's so stupid. Why would he do that?
I don't think they see the vision.
I'm literally gonna
Why is the ghost
I'm
trying to
literally gonna
block?
try and hit a ball into bumper.
A ghost play
No,
by
no,
by
no,
Roger
just
Davis.
don't move, don't move.
What is
Don't
happening?
move, Don't move. Don't move.
I'm
Don't
moving.
move. Yeah.
Oh, did I move?
Let's game, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Why would he place the? He had me
Alright,
go.
so the Cats blew a 2-0 lead. Yep, fun.
what just happened?
Cats are horrible.
I'm so
the Cats
confused
suck
about what
ass.
just happened on the last play.
Dog shit.